We live in a world where every tap, every swipe, every online transaction leaves a digital footprint. And with that footprint comes the nagging question, is my money safe? It's a valid concern, especially when you're exploring new financial tools designed to make your life easier. Picture this, you're at a coffee shop, you buy your usual latte, and without even thinking about it, that spare change, that few cents, is magically whisked away into an investment. Sounds like a dream, right? That's the promise of micro-investing apps like Raiz. They make investing accessible, almost effortless, by rounding up your everyday purchases and investing the difference. It's a brilliant concept, democratizing investing for everyone, not just those with significant capital. But here's where the critical question comes in. To make that magic happen, these apps often need access to your bank account. And for many, that's where the alarm bells start to ring. The idea of linking your primary bank account to a third-party app can feel like handing over the keys to your financial kingdom. You've worked hard for your money, and the thought of it being compromised or misused is terrifying. So, when it comes to Raiz, a popular micro-investing platform, the question isn't just does it work, but more importantly, is Raiz safe to link my bank account? Let's dive into that. Raiz understands these concerns, and like any reputable financial institution, they place a high priority on security. They employ bank-level security, which means they use advanced encryption technologies, specifically 256-bit SSL encryption, to protect your data and banking credentials. This is the same level of encryption used by major banks, designed to create a secure tunnel for your information as it travels between your device and their servers. Furthermore, Raiz doesn't actually store your bank login details directly on their servers. Instead, they use a secure third-party aggregation service. This service acts as a read-only intermediary, allowing Raiz to see your transactions for the purpose of initiating roundups, but it explicitly cannot initiate any transactions on your behalf. Think of it as granting them permission to look at your bank statement, but not to touch your funds. This read-only access is a crucial distinction that mitigates a lot of the risk. Beyond encryption and limited access, Raiz implements several other layers of security. They utilize multi-factor authentication, MFA, to prevent unauthorized access to your account. This means that even if someone were to get hold of your password, they'd need a second form of verification, like a code sent to your phone, to log in. They also have automatic logouts and ID verification processes in place. Raiz is also regulated by financial authorities, like ASIC in Australia, which means they are subject to strict compliance and oversight. This provides an additional layer of consumer protection. In the highly unlikely event of fraudulent or criminal activity, Raiz often has insurance policies in place to cover such incidents, further safeguarding your funds. While no system is absolutely impenetrable, Raiz has put significant measures in place to protect user financial information. User reviews often highlight the ease of use and the effectiveness of the app, and generally, there aren't widespread reports of security breaches related to linked bank accounts. Of course, maintaining your own digital hygiene, such as using strong, unique passwords and being wary of phishing attempts, remains paramount. Ultimately, the decision to link your bank account to any app, including Raiz, comes down to your personal comfort level and understanding of the security measures in place. Based on their robust security protocols, regulatory compliance, and limited access to your funds, Raiz appears to be a safe platform for linking your bank account for micro-investing. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.